In today's video, we're diving deep into Exodus Wallet, one of the most talked about multi-currency crypto wallets out there. But the big question is, should you use it in 2025? Let's uncover the pros, cons, and everything you need to know before making that decision. Exodus Wallet is a software-based crypto wallet designed to let you store, manage, and exchange cryptocurrencies easily. Unlike hardware wallets, it's completely free and works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile devices. Supporting over 300 cryptocurrencies, Exodus allows you to swap assets directly within the app, making it super convenient for users. One noteworthy aspect: no registrations, no accounts. Your private keys are completely under your control, guaranteeing the security of your cryptocurrency. What additional benefits does Exodus Wallet offer in 2025 though? Let's examine a few salient features. Support for multiple assets. Major blockchains including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and other Layer 2 networks are now supported by Exodus. This eliminates the need to switch between wallets and allows you to handle all of your important assets in one location. Inbuilt cryptocurrency swaps. With more than 300 cryptocurrencies at your disposal, you can trade assets right within the app without the need for third-party exchanges. Management of NFT. You may now store and view NFTs on supported blockchains with Exodus. Organizing your NFT collection is a pleasure with their streamlined, easy-to-use gallery. For passive income through staking, you may easily earn rewards by staking well-known coins like Polkadot, Cardano, and Solana straight from the app. Hardware wallet integration. Exodus interfaces with Trezor hardware wallets, adding an extra degree of offline security for your long-term holdings if security is a concern. Don't worry if you don't know how to use and set up Exodus Wallet. I've already made a detailed tutorial for you. It's available on my channel or for convenient access. Click the link in the description. Exodus Wallet's benefits and drawbacks in 2025. Let's dissect it. Advantages: a user interface free of intimidating language for beginners. All of your cryptocurrency demands may be met in one location with support for over 300 cryptocurrencies. You have complete control over your private keys. You may trade within the app thanks to built-in swaps, putting money into options to generate passive income. Cons: your device is the only source of security. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is not available. When compared to external platforms, the built-in exchange fees may be greater. Due to its internet connection, a hot wallet is less safe than hardware wallets. In 2025, is Exodus Wallet secure? Yes, but with some restrictions. That's the quick answer. Because it is a hot wallet and has internet access, there is always some risk. However, security is greatly increased by the Trezor integration, which makes it a dependable choice for long-term holdings. Exodus Wallet, who should use it? Because of its user-friendly interface, Exodus is ideal for novice cryptocurrency users. It appeals to anyone looking for a straightforward yet effective asset management solution because of its staking features and elegant NFT galleries. Exodus Wallet has something for everyone, regardless of experience level or desire for passive income.